Are you on track to achieve significant wealth? Your present actions may not be beneficial to your financial goals. To help you analyze your condition, we've developed a list of items to look out for. Everyone's circumstance is unique, but if you find yourself repeatedly committing these mistakes, it may be time to reconsider how you manage your money. In this video, we'll look at 7 symptoms that you may never reach money. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Number 1. You have accepted the salary lifestyle. In life, there are essentially 2 methods to get money: starting a business or receiving a regular wage. Most people choose the latter option. Trading time for a payment inside the boundaries of a 9-to-5 work is popular for a variety of reasons. For starters, finding work is far easier than starting your own firm. Second, regular work provides perks such as pension plans and consistent bi-weekly income, which are not generally associated with entrepreneurship. Finally, our upbringing frequently steers us toward pursuing job. We go to school, choose a college major, and then apply for jobs in our chosen field. Many people follow this trend for decades before retiring. Unfortunately, the educational system frequently gives just one road, a preset one that ignores the presence of another option: creating your own business and aiming for prosperity beyond customary limitations. This omission explains why many people continue to clock in and out of their 9-to-5 employment, while only a handful pursue entrepreneurship, allowing the market to establish their genuine worth. Those who have amassed significant money recognize a fundamental truth: depending simply on a paycheck will never lead to prosperity. This is due to the inherent conflict of interest. When your company raises your pay, it reduces revenues for business owners. Employers who are naturally self-interested tend to pay their employees very little money. If you want to become wealthy, you must stop relying entirely on your wage. Number 2, you avoid challenging yourself. If you stay in your comfort zone, the route to prosperity will certainly remain elusive. Many people become trapped in a cycle of relying on a steady wage, going to work every day, and spending their evenings watching Netflix without chasing new challenges. They'd like life to be simple and problem-free. In contrast, rich people deliberately seek challenges. Those who attain financial success recognize that the path to prosperity begins when they leave their comfort zone. Entrepreneurs, particularly those who achieve great success, thrive in the face of uncertainty and unknowns. Consider Jeff Bezos, one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Bezos felt destined for something larger in his 20s, despite holding significant positions and earning a substantial fortune. He challenged himself by launching a book-selling business that has grown into the global behemoth known as Amazon. If you prioritize comfort and ease in your life, you may miss out on real wealth. Number 3, you don't have defined financial goals. Just as hitting an unseen target is practically impossible, failing to set clear financial goals makes it difficult to become affluent. Setting well-defined goals streamlines the path to financial success. For example, if your objective is to save $1 million, you must first write it down and carefully plan how to attain it. Unfortunately, persons with low financial resources frequently struggle with this initial stage, as they lack clarity about what they actually want to achieve monetarily. In contrast, rich people can precisely express their goals and plan accordingly, including deadlines for accomplishing them. Number 4, you have an excessive concentration on saving. While conserving money is essential for developing wealth, focusing entirely on reducing expenses may hinder your financial success. Many people with lesser salaries focus too much on saving, typically because they don't have other ways to supplement their income. However, astute rich folks recognize that simply lowering spending is insufficient. They also seek to increase their revenue through a variety of techniques. The average millionaire produces money from a variety of sources, demonstrating a dedication to creating income beyond savings alone. If you want to be wealthy, you must spend time and effort to expanding your income, as well as saving. Number 5, you splurge. Creating wealth necessitates disciplined spending habits. When you continuously spend more than you earn, it is tough to achieve financial success. Often, an increase in income results in an increase in spending. For example, earning more may entice you to upgrade your lifestyle, making it more difficult to save. This conduct results from a lack of financial management skills, which are frequently not taught in typical educational environments. However, learning these abilities can enable individuals, including those with small earnings, to accumulate wealth over time by spending and investing sensibly. To become wealthy, it is critical to prevent excessive spending. Number 6, you avoid investing. Investing intelligently is an effective way to grow your financial holdings over time. Starting early in your investment journey has major benefits. Warren Buffett, for example, started investing in stocks at a young age and mastered the financial landscape, eventually becoming one of the world's wealthiest people. Consistent investing is not confined to billionaires. Many millionaires devote a significant amount of their annual income to investment endeavors, which is an important technique for building wealth. Initially hesitant owing to perceived complexity, I realized that opening an investment account and consistently contributing to funds such as index or retirement funds might lead the path to previously inconceivable wealth. Number 7, you don't pay yourself first. Saving money is critical for building wealth, but many people underestimate the importance of addressing their personal financial requirements. If you do not make yourself the first financial priority when you receive income, you may find yourself allocating dollars to numerous obligations, landlords, credit cards, and government entities, by the end of the month, leaving little or nothing for personal use. The concept of paying yourself first, popularized by the richest man in Babylon, recommends setting aside 10% of your salary for personal savings. Automated deductions from your paycheck can help you stay disciplined and avoid impulsive spending, increasing your progress towards your financial goals. For individuals who can save more than 10%, raising their savings rate greatly increases wealth building. Finally, prioritizing your financial well-being is critical. Failing to do so places others' financial ambitions ahead of your own. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?